especially I'm talking to my type 4 naturals and my type 3 naturals. This is the channel for y'all. If you're using something like this, throw it away. It's not meant for your hair type.
All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. So
what's good, y'all? It's your girl Tay, aka the Chocolate Queen, and I'm back on the video with another video for y'all today. I'm gonna get right into it. Let's just get into the top five. The first way to get your natural hair to grow longer and faster is by using protective styles. Protective styles are anything that keep your natural hair tucked away. For example, my natural hair is actually tucked away into braids under this wig unit. I'm not saying that you have to wear wigs necessarily as a protective style, but it is a way to still have a different hairstyle while your hair is being protected. Protective styles include anything from buns, braids, cornrows, anything that keeps your hair tucked away. Twists, faux locks, those types of styles that involve tucking your hair away or really just protecting your ends, that is a form of a protective style. So that is the main way I grew my hair out very long and fast. I had a ton of protective styles, whether I was getting my hair braided, whether I was putting my hair up in a high ponytail or a high puff. Let's say to get crochet braids or to get Senegalese twists that is tucking your hair and your ends away. My second reason, deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is something that a lot of people skip, and it's something that is not worth skipping, okay? If you don't remember anything I tell you, remember to deep condition. It's going to restore the moisture level and the balance back in your hair. It's going to keep your hair moisturized for a longer time, and you don't have to put so much product back into your hair because the condition of it is still hydrated. Like I said in previous videos, I would recommend deep conditioning at least 30 minutes to an hour. My third way to get your hair back growing long, working in sections. So work in sections when you apply product to your hair. For example, if you're about to wash your hair, I mean using clips. When I say clips, I'm talking about butterfly clips, really like these. This is the best way to get the product evenly distributed throughout the hair. You need to section it off so that each layer is getting coated with moisturizer. I went over that in my previous video for a quick second about how the hair retains moisture, especially in type 4 hair, and how we need to add that moisture back in because we lose a lot of the moisture once it grows out from the hair follicle. We need to make sure that moisture is staying locked in. The best way to do that is to use some clips and make sure you distribute the product evenly onto the hair strands. Also with sectioning, use combs that work for thicker hair. A comb like this is considered a wide tooth comb, okay? You shouldn't be using a comb like this on your hair. If you're using something like this, throw it away. It's not meant for your hair type. This, especially I'm talking to my type 4 naturals and my type 3 naturals. This is the channel for y'all. These are the types of combs you want to be using or bigger, or bigger, or bigger. Nothing small. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. It's ripping your hair out. It's damaging your ends, and it's not protecting your hair. You have to detangle with something like this because it gets through that really quickly. See how the tangles just came right away with that? And this is just fine hair too, but just imagine thicker hair. It's going to be able to get those tangles out quicker and easier than a comb that has smaller teeth. You'll be sitting there all day trying to get that one knot out. This big tooth comb, child, it's flowing now. Easy. Wide tooth combs only for natural hair. Next way is to use dietary supplements. So dietary supplements is going to be a great way to grow your hair longer, faster too. Hair, skin, and nail supplements, or supplements that have biotin in it. Biotin is the form of protein that's going to strengthen the hair strand and the hair follicle and get it to grow out longer and stronger. Just be aware, I wish I knew this too before I started taking biotin and I stopped taking biotin, because biotin is going to grow your hair longer. It's going to grow your hair stronger, but it's also going to grow hair everywhere else, okay, on your body. It's going to grow hair everywhere else. So just make sure that you're prepared for that part too. I'm not talking about mustaches, or you're not going to grow hair that never grew before. But if you have like your armpit hair or your hair in other parts of your body that are already there, just be prepared for that increase of hair growth in those areas. This is something that I've never used before. It's called Nutrafol for women. So this is a dietary supplement. So I haven't done all my research on it, but this is just an example I wanted to show you as far as a dietary supplement. I didn't even open that. See how you know I ain't lying. But I have them here, and maybe one day I might use them or I might give them away. Don't know. But that's just an example I wanted to show you guys. Lastly, a heat protectant. Use a heat protectant. This is Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat Protective Primer. Make sure if you're blow drying, I always recommend blow drying natural hair because it's just the easiest way to get it smooth and retain that length. Use a heat protectant and a hair cream before you use that blow dryer. I would also use a smooth styling cream. This one is by Living Proof Smooth Styling Cream. So your hair can smooth out. That type 4, that thick natural hair can be nice and smooth first. And then spray some heat protectant on top of that to lock that moisture in and to protect it. Those are my 4 ways to make sure you can grow your hair back longer, stronger, healthier, and faster. If you do those top 5 tips, I guarantee you will see length retention. You will see hair growth. You will reach your goal quicker by following these ways. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very helpful. Like this video, give it a comment, share with a friend if y'all are on your natural hair journey together. And I'll see you later, girlfriend.